Welcome to the Spendwise Moms channel, your homemaking resource hub. This is an update of our garden. It's been a few weeks, and in the front here, the potatoes and some strawberries. I did a close-up so you can see the little red berry there. That's our apple tree that did not produce any fruit because of the early freeze. And then there's some potatoes by the side of the box, and in the box are some more strawberries. In this other box we have squash. Some have grown really big and some are still smaller. This is our Sweet 16 apple tree, and there's honeyberry bushes in the back. The honeyberries produced, but the apple tree did not produce this year. In the box in front here are some tomatillos. They're doing really well. And then on the other side of the box we put some tomatillos, some peppers, and some tomatoes. And then we have some more potatoes in the little bags by the side. That's our experiment this year, to see if we can grow potatoes in bags. There's our cherry tree, and in the back of that there's the newest raspberry patch. There's our plum tree that's really small, it didn't produce anything. And the crabapple tree, which produced about a third of what it would have because of the freeze. This is our eyesore place in the garden where we are just trying to dig up some of the old raspberry patch and make some boxes. There's lots of weeds, but it's just a work in progress. This is our another raspberry patch that definitely needs to be weeded. And here's some oregano that we have on part of the box. And then if you can see the purple flowers, there are some chives in there. This is rhubarb and sunflowers on the left. There's the one garden strip. There's rhubarb and then some lemon drop squash. This is our grapevines. And here is the other side of the first garden strip with lettuce, spinach that's gone to seed, lots of beets. They're doing really well this year. We tried doing the seed strips for a change to see what that was like. There's a few peas, but not very many. And these beans have come up. My husband had to replant. Here are the carrots. They didn't fill in very well, but they're doing okay. And then we have some more raspberries, and my husband planted some onions around the raspberries. And then on the left of the raspberries you'll see some corn. It's a blue corn. Straight ahead you can see the lemon drop squash, and here's the corn. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the Spendwise Moms.